Congratulations on your purchase to a new LG OLED TV. I just want to give you a few tips how you can take care of your LG OLED TV in the best way. Let me show you how. Go into Settings by pressing the cogwheel and hold it down. Under Picture, go into OLED Panel Settings. Make sure that the logo luminance adjustment is put on low or high. This will compensate for static TV channel logos. If you know that you had a static picture for an extended period of time, you can always start the Pixel Refresher program. The second thing you should do is to go back to Picture and into Picture Mode settings. Select Picture Mode and choose the correct mode depending on what you are watching, like cinema for TV shows and movies. And the last thing, go to General, choose Timers, and make sure that the 2 hours auto power off is switched on. This will turn off your TV after 2 hours if you don't use the remote. And after you're done, don't forget to enjoy your LG OLED experience.